How to reset password on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you how you can reset your password on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset our password on Facebook, open the Facebook application here, and then by default if your account is saved then it will ask you to log into one of its saved accounts, but I'm going to select login to another account, and then here I'll select the option called forgotten password. Now all I need to do is simply go ahead and then allow the Facebook application to go ahead and then basically try to send a code. So you can see it says we'll send you a code to your email address at this. So you can just try that, or you can select try another way, or you can also get a verification password as well. So you can tap on the continue option. Now once you've done that, you can see it will ask you to enter the code that you receive on your email. So go ahead and then actually open up your mailbox, and then just try to refresh things a little bit over here. Just try to check whether or not you've received the verification code. After you receive it, just copy the code here. As you tap the copy option, come back to the tab and just paste the code, tap on the continue option. It will take you to the page where you can simply create a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can reset your password on Facebook. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.